welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Princess Monet, and today I'm back with another video. I'm hella rushing. I already filmed my whole video and I'm like, oh my god, I forgot to do an intro. So I was just getting ready to go to my cousin's birthday party. She turned 27 today and we're going to a restaurant in Jersey. It's supposed to be kind of fancy. If you guys want to know how I did this makeup look and what I'm wearing out tonight, then keep watching. Okay, so I look crazy, who cares? My eyebrows are done right now, and for my eyebrows, I always use Brow Stylist Definer by L'Oreal Paris in the shade Dark Brunette. So the palette looks like this. It is super freaking pretty. I know a lot of people canceled Jaclyn Hill. I'm definitely not throwing away my palettes. So what color am I going to be using? I never do my makeup anymore like eyeshadow. So instead, I'm going to go with a Baddies makeup palette. I'm going to go in with OG. I have not done my freaking eyeshadow in forever. I don't even remember how to do eyeshadow. And if you were to ask certain females, they'd say I never know how to do eyeshadow. But who cares? I'm wearing a brown dress, so I definitely want to go in with like the browns and neutral colors. So I'm just kind of covering my whole entire base with this shade. I'm going to do the same thing on both eyes, of course. My problem is that I never used to fully blend, so the transitions used to look crazy, but I'm not trying to have that problem today. And to be honest, my bangs are gonna be covering my eyebrows, so I don't even really know why I focused on my eyebrows before, but whatever. Next, I'm going to be going in with the shade 1988. Hopefully you guys can see that, but I'm taking this Morphe M433 brush. Looks like, okay, this is like so not focusing, but I kind of got to hurry up. I just wanted to film a video doing my makeup because I haven't done that in a really long time. But that's also, like I said before, I haven't been doing like eyeshadows or anything like that. So I'm just keeping it over here on the outer corner and blending it out. I kind of wanted to make, wait, I need to put this down. So I'm probably gonna say this in the intro, but celebrating my friend Anais's birthday today. She's 27. We're in the 27, we're almost 30 club, and that is just one club, the 30 club, that I'm just not excited or fiending to be in, to be honest. I know she's gonna look so cute today. Can't wait to see her. She just had her baby Harley, so that's really exciting, and I know she's probably fiending to go out right now. Being a mother seems so freaking hard, and I just gotta be thankful that I am not a mother yet. I definitely want to be one day, but I have a lot of other things that I need to focus on right now before that. And plus, I don't have a baby father, obviously. Still single. So right now, I just continue to pack that on the outer corner and blend. Gonna go in a few with just probably a little bit, like a little bit of a darker shade, just to deepen it up, but I don't want it to be too dark. So I'm gonna go in with this Profusion Mixed Metals palette. This is another pretty one, but I'm actually gonna go in with this brown shade right here at the bottom. I got this one a long time ago from BeautyCon. Oh my god, BeautyCon was so much fun. So now I have the Morphe M441 brush, and I'm taking that brown and packing it right again on top of the outer corner. Oh my god, look at my cheek. Love that for myself. I'm gonna do the same thing for both eyes. Now I'm just going in with the brush that doesn't have any product in and smoothing out the edges. Then after that, am I gonna be doing my, you know what, after that I'm going to go in and just start doing my foundation. I really have to hurry up. I do want to add gold, but I'm gonna add gold at the end, to be honest, like when my foundation's done, just because I want to make sure that I don't want to just leave the eye look like this. Okay, so for this very moment, the eyeshadow is done-ish, but I'm gonna focus on my foundation, my contour, and everything like that, and it'll come together. Oh my god, my hair is so annoying. I forgot I also have to do my hair. Why do I choose to do things at the last minute? I will never know. So for foundation, I'm going in with my favorite Makeup Forever Ultra HD in the shade Y325. I'm about to start talking fast and moving fast, and I'm gonna use my beauty blender. I used to do makeup challenges all the time. Got this freaking lovely pimple right there. Okay, all I used so far was 2 little ass squirts of foundation, and to be honest, I just need 1 more, so that's not so bad. I'm not even about to do my forehead. I already have my bangs out, and if I could save some product, I might as well do that. I'm gonna need you to remember how crazy I look right now, and when you get to the end of this video, you're gonna be like, wow, okay, I see what she did there. So now I'm going in with that same Tarte Shape Tape, contouring a little bit right here, of course. That's definitely crooked. Okay, that's how you get a crooked nose, what I just did right there. But F it. I'll fix it. And then, where is my... I'm about to blend this out right now, but I did that by accident. I usually go in with my freaking, with this right here, my Fenty Beauty. What is this called again? A matchstick in the shade Mocha. And I usually start contouring first with the dark shade, and then I go in with my concealer. I just did the opposite right now though, so might have to fix something up in a few, but I'll figure it out. I'm gonna blend everything out in a few. Stop thinking that I look crazy, like just relax. And I'm going in with that Mocha, and I'm going to be shaping my nose. And this is the Morphe E47 brush. Next, I'm going to bring that up here. I don't usually, you know how people do this? And they do it down there? I do it higher because I really want my face like lifted. So I haven't been putting my, like my bronzers and stuff like that as low as I used to. A little bit under my lip for that pouty look. So a bunch of times I totally forgot that I had the little like bronzer under my lip, and I kid you not, I'll be out and I'm like, why does it look so dark there? And then I freaking realize, you're like, yo, you never like blended that out, so you're just walking around with like a brown spot under your lip looking crazy. I can't even count how many times I've done that. Too many. Like, I definitely should not be letting that happen, but I have been. So when you're blending out your nose, make sure you're like, I don't even know how to explain it. I'm trying to think how to explain it. You want to do it right because you don't want to make your nose bigger. So just make sure the lines are thin. If you made like too much of a big dark, like a dark brown line, then you have to go in with like some concealer on the sides again, because having a thick line will just make your nose look wider. Okay, I'm going to go in with the shade OG, like how I went in earlier and covered my lid, and I'm going to be placing that on my lower lash line. I should have had my bangs like away from my face for the purpose like of this video, because they keep getting in my eye. Next, I'm going to go in with 1988 again and just add, I can't use the same brush, I need a smaller one. So I'm going to go in with this Morphe M431 and put this much closer to my actual lower lash line. I don't even want to check the time because I'm so scared of how... And the thing is, I cannot be late because I have to drive to Ridgewood, park there, which parking over there is hell, especially with all this snow outside, because then we're taking an Uber to go to Jersey. So ouch, I can't miss that. All right, let me hurry up. I'm going to bronze. So this for real has been my freaking favorite. This is the Pixie by, I don't know how to say that, in Honey Nectar. And I've been going in with this brown for my bronzer and then mixing these as a blush and adding this to my, like, as a highlight. I'm like, what a freaking perfect little palette all in one. So like I said, I've been applying it much higher. and I'm using Morphe E48. See like the snatchedness from this side to this side. I hope it's coming across because that is the goal. So before I do my blush, to be honest, I'm gonna go in and bake a little bit while I pick my hair up into like a tighter bun. So I'll be right back. Oh my god, I have 5 minutes. Oh my god, I look crazy. I have 5 minutes to leave my house, but can I do it? I think I could do it. I'm gonna just put mascara. I don't definitely have time to put lashes. My camera's actually gonna die right now, so I love that for myself. But what I'm gonna do is off camera, I'm gonna go in with my mascara. This mascara just doesn't get clumpy, and then when it's time to wash it off, all you have to do is put some water, or if you want, you can just, I know this is bad, but like if you just peel like the lashes, oh my god, that sounds terrible, but it doesn't take your lashes off, and it just comes off so easily. So this is called Liquid Lash Extensions by Thrive, and my mother did purchase this off of Instagram, and she and I are obsessed with it. So I'm going to apply that, of course, on my bottom lashes and top lashes. If I do have time, I'm going to go in with some. So off camera, I was able to put on my mascara. No time for falsies. I have on lip liner and like a brown lip liner. It's actually supposed to be an eyeliner, but I use it as a lip liner. And then this Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in the shade Sand. Then this is what I'm wearing. I'm like so out of breath. I have this brown dress. Where did I get this from? Did I get this from Zara? I cannot remember. If I remember, I'm gonna let you guys know. So I have this brown dress, and then these boots right here, they were on sale for like $22. So this is the back of the dress. I don't have actually, you know what, I wore this when I went to Mexico. So if you guys see my Mexico vlog, I probably stated where I got this dress from. And so since it's like freezing outside, I have this from Pretty Little Thing. I know it doesn't match, but for some reason I think it'll look really, really cute. Ugh. Oh my god, I'm the worst. So I'm just gonna wear this, and I forgot to steam it. Ugh, it's hella wrinkled. Whatever, I gotta go. So I'm gonna top it off like that. But if I take pictures, I'm probably gonna be like one of those or something like that. I don't know, but it's time to go. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in my next one.